So today I have my cousin Moy right here with me. So we can do a challenge. It's gonna be who does the best person. I have a girl, he has a boy. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing this.
And I'm going to be doing this.
So do you wanna tell them the steps to it, or do you wanna So okay, let's get started. So what you do for this is you just grab your Play-doh, take it out, split it in half, and then you just spread it on the mold. So we will be back with our finishing touches, or the finishing product. So we're back with our masterpieces, but now it's time to add a little bit of details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of details on it, and then I'm going to put little bowls on it, and so it'll look really, really cute. So, what are you going to do?
I don't know. I would just probably I don't know. Probably put a hat on it.
So I'm going to grab this little Play-doh tool, and I'm going to just make the lines a little bit more
Invisible.
Yeah, visible. Third. Makes the lines stand out more. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is grabbing some purple Play-Doh, and I'm going to be doing this mold, like this one right here, and I'm going to put two of them right here, and then both on the top, so it'll look really cute.
Oh.
So I'm going to put it right here. I'm just going to put one. It looks really cute. And then I'm going to put two of the bowls. So I'll use green Play-Doh. Using green for the bow. And I'm just going to put it here. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Actually, I'm gonna put some braids on it. And so we will be back with our finishing touches. By the way, I'm putting braids on it. So we'll be back with our finishing touches. So this is our finishing product. I know this was a short video and I'm really sorry, but yeah. Who do you think would win? I think you would win. You put so much detail on this. Look how much detail it is. And in the front, I don't think it did that much detail. So who do you think?
I think you'll win. Yours is pretty.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a thumbs up and comment down below which one you think it would win. Bye. Love you guys.